It's that time again. Every couple of years, a particularly visible comet swings by Earth.
And the mass market media begins its clickbait ritual.
I hate it. It leads to so many disappointed people during an event that is wonderful. So let me give it to you straight.
Comet 2022 E3 ZTF, let's call it E3, is swinging by for the first time in 50,000 years. But it's not going to look like this, and unless you have exceptional eyesight,
You will need, at the very least, binoculars and dark skies to see it. It may go up to magnitude +6.
which is less bright than the brighter stars you can usually see in cities. And it has more of a fan shape than a long tail. Depending on where you are, you'll find it rising northward in the early evening, cutting through the constellation Draco, and rising parallel to Ursa Minor as the days go by. It'll be somewhat visible until mid-March for the Northern Hemisphere, maybe April if you've got a powerful telescope.
Here are some notable dates that will make it easier for you to find it.
Its closest approach to the Sun will be on January 12th, which might be when it's brightest. On January 29th, it can be found by drawing a line from the edge of the Big Dipper to Polaris.
The closest approach to Earth will be around February 1st and 2nd.
On February 5th, it will be next to the bright star Capella in the constellation Auriga. E3 will be right near Mars on the 10th of February, and near Aldebaran in the constellation of Taurus on February 14th. I recommend you install the program or app that we all use in astronomy, Stellarium. You can then import the comet in the Solar System Editor. This will allow you to find it at your location.
You can also look up star parties and astronomy clubs. Finding these objects is part of the fun, so let's have reasonable expectations, and happy Comet!